Hi, this is Mike with Extreme Audio. This is a 2016 Range Rover that we added remote start with a long-range two-way remote control and drone mobile to enable the ability to start it from your smartphone. To start the vehicle using the remote control, simply hold the button down until the lights blink on the remote to send the start signal. Once the vehicle is started, you'll get feedback on the remote control to let you know the engine is running. Should you need to, you can also turn the vehicle back off by pressing and holding the button again. If you're interested in adding a remote start to your Range Rover, keep in mind that we are just a local operation in the Richmond, Virginia area. This is not a kit that we produce or sell on the internet for do-it-yourself type installations. If you want more information, check us out at extremeaudio.org or wait to the very end of the video for information on our locations in the Richmond area. Thanks. Extreme Audio has two Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.